welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing like a quick cleanup, picking up actually around the house. I'm just going to tidy up the place. As you can tell behind me, I have like a huge mess, but I'm just going to kind of clean it up, pick it up, do the best that I can. So I just did make my breakfast, so this is what I'm going to be having. It does seem like a lot, but I'll probably finish all of it. I do typically eat like a really big breakfast, and right now I'm actually trying to gain some muscle. So what I have is 4 eggs, I have some spinach, I have onion in it, and then I have calabacitas, and then I just sprinkled some cheese on the top. And of course I wanted something sweet, so I just went ahead and got me some little orange juice. So like I said, you guys, today I'm just gonna eat my breakfast and then I'm gonna get started with cleaning the place up. I did go and get my groceries this morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those up too. I'm gonna reorganize my refrigerator. I organized it last week. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I did reorganize, like completely reorganize my refrigerator. But like I said, I'm just gonna put everything else up, and then I'm just gonna kind of get ready for the week, and we'll see how this beautiful day goes. So I'll bring you guys along. Hopefully you guys stay tuned in, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, I haven't even started and I'm already tired. But sorry about my hair. Oh my gosh, I know it looks disgusting, but that's why I wore a hat, because I just didn't want to do anything with my hair today. But anyways, I just put the baby down for a little nap, so he's gonna fall asleep here in a little bit. He's drinking a bottle. So this is gonna be like my little power hour nap time cleanup type of thing. I'm just gonna try to do as much as I can in the little time that I do have available. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my groceries up, and then we'll get started with everything. Okay, so I definitely want to start off by saying thank you guys so much for watching. I highly appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and hit that little bell notification so that you get notified every time that I post a new video. I do try my best to keep up with these videos and post at least every Monday. I do try to post like a motivational video on Mondays, kind of like this, just to kind of motivate you, get you started through the week, and you know, just get you going. And then I'll post like maybe 1 or 2 vlogs during the week, but for sure I do try to stick to my Mondays with these motivational videos. So like I said, you guys, please just make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, you guys, so as you can tell, I didn't actually buy like a whole bunch of groceries this week because I had a lot left over from last week. And also I didn't buy any meat because I have the carniceria like literally 1 minute down the road from my house. So I just buy the meat as I go. Like every day I'll just stop by and pick up some meat, and they actually have a drive-through, which is really convenient. So I just stop after work, and then I pick up the meat of my choice, whatever I'm gonna cook that day. So that is the reason why I don't really buy meat at Walmart, just because it's easier for me that way. So this is what I got for my groceries. Of course, I got my drinks. Josh loves the Minute Maid lemonade or juices, whatever they are. I don't really drink them because I just think they're too sweet, or they have way too much sugar in them, but he loves them. I will drink the orange juice though, so I do drink that. Of course, I got some almond milk, which Josh hates. I got some lactate milk. I just really like the flavor of it, you guys. It's so good. I got these for Josh. He takes one of these like every time he goes to work. And these, you guys, these are so freaking good. Like, it has the little bits of cheesecake on them. They're like cheesecake flavored Greek yogurt, and they're actually light. So that's really good. It's only 130 calories and 11 grams of protein. So that's really good. But I tried them last week, and I thought they were just so yummy. These are also my favorite. I think I've been having these for, God, I don't know. I want to say like the last 5 years I've been eating these. They are just my absolute favorite. They taste like cookie dough. I don't know how healthy that is, but just the taste of them tastes so good. And of course it has like a lot of protein. So I buy these just for work, like to kind of snack on, and they kind of keep me full throughout the day, at least until it's time for me to go to lunch, because I do wake up really early. So I am at work super early, so I get hungry really like fast. And then of course I just got me some other little snacks. I got these too. I've had these for a long time too. I've been having these. I hadn't drank them in a while though. These are just like the little Special K protein shakes. These are some other little snacks that I can snack on at work. I just bought like a couple of them. Of course, my fruits. So like my strawberries, my bananas, pineapple. I put mushrooms in everything, so there we are. Tomatoes, more jalapenos, some more eggs. I also got some egg whites. Like I said before, you guys, I am trying to gain some muscle. I'm like, I don't know, I just need to get thick. But yeah, so I bought some egg whites where I can use. I got calabaza, so I only got one because I had one left over from last week. Se me hacen malas if I don't use them up pretty quick, so I did just buy one and I have the other one in the refrigerator. I got me some pickles. This is like my favorite brand, even though it's the Great Value. I love these pickles, even better than the high-end brand, whatever. They're just so good. And then I also got some Alfredo sauce because I do plan to make some shrimp Alfredo throughout the week. So here's my shrimp. I got some beans. Sometimes I do make just beans like in la olla, but when I'm like in a hurry and I just haven't done, you know, frijoles en la olla, I just go ahead and make these from the can, and they're like super good. I got some chipotle sauce because I plan to make some tinga sometime this week. Here's my bread. I eat wheat bread. Josh only eats white bread, so I had to get both. And then of course I stacked up on my little jamon. Oh, I got the Black Forest ham. I don't think I realized that. Okay, well anyways, normally I get like the turkey ham or the turkey breast, not turkey ham. But so that's it, you guys. This is, like I said, it's like a super mini grocery haul because I didn't buy that much. And then like I said before, I do just go ahead and buy my meat at the meat market. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this up. I'm gonna cut up my vegetables and put them in the containers that I had put them in from last week. So like I said, I am trying to keep up with that. You guys, I feel so tired today. Like I feel so unmotivated to do anything, but let's just do it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did go ahead and start off by labeling my containers. As I made mention of it before, I did reorganize my refrigerator last week. So I bought these containers and I'm trying to just keep it as organized as I can. Just for purposes of making it easier for me throughout the week, I just kind of chop up all my vegetables, all my fruits, and put them in these containers. And it just makes everything so much easier. So as you can tell, I've gone ahead and started chopping up my vegetables. I wash them, just cut them up, and then start putting them in the containers that they go in. Oh, and I do want to let you guys know that I actually read about this several times before I even tried it, but I did try it this last week. And putting your food in these glass containers actually makes them last a lot longer. For sure, it worked for me. I know like my mushrooms only last like a few days, but this past week I tried it out and they actually lasted a whole week without even, you couldn't even tell they had been there that long, which is a huge plus, and I highly recommend it. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just gonna put everything up, but I do want to make mention of those mesh bags that you see where like my tomatoes and stuff are. Those are amazing. I purchased them on Amazon. I highly recommend those too. Okay guys, so I'm finally moved on to the dishes. As you can tell, I'm just unloading the dishwasher and then I'm gonna load it back up with all those dishes in the sink, and let's just call it a day. Like I said, guys, today I was just feeling so lazy. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I just didn't feel like doing anything. Like, I was literally pushing myself so hard just to get through today. But but I do want to make mention of it. It actually helped me because just by making this video for you guys, it kind of motivated me to go ahead and do everything I needed to do in my house. So like I said, this is obviously the purpose of these types of videos. So I hope it really does the same for you guys. Okay, so I've actually gotten this far into the video and I just realized that my baby has been asleep this whole time. So he's actually been napping for a good hour and a half now, maybe an hour and 45 minutes, I would say, which he never naps for this long. So that is a huge plus for me. I actually got a lot accomplished, which is really good. I unloaded the groceries, I did the kitchen, and now I'm like picking up the table. So that's really good. So I'm actually getting a lot done. The day that I was actually wishing he wouldn't sleep for too long is the day he actually did. So I guess that's a good thing. Like I said, it actually got me through the day and got me doing a little cleaning around the house. So that's a plus for me. All right, you guys, please tell me that I'm not the only crazy one that leaves their trash by the door in hopes that somebody else will pick it up or take it out for them. In my case, it would be Josh, and of course he never does. So here I am having to do it myself. But I guess I can't blame him. All that junk is mine. I definitely have issues of my own. I order from Amazon like almost on a daily, which is a huge problem. I just can't control it. Amazon is like my best friend. I love it. I don't know. I can't have self-control over that. So here I am just putting out all the boxes. I am going to put them outside, and Josh will go out, and just when he gets home from work, he'll kind of break them down and put them in trash bags. I can't do that because I have the baby here with me and I can't be outside for a long time. Of course, it's like super hot and it's like the middle of the day. So I'm just going to let him do that. So that is it for today's video. I know I was really short, sweet, and simple, but I did get a lot done while he was napping. He actually ended up napping for like 2.5 hours, which is actually really good. He never naps for that long. He normally naps for like an hour and a half max, which is really good for me. So I did get a whole bunch done, even though it doesn't seem like I did. I put up the groceries, I cleaned the kitchen, I picked up the table, I swept, I was able to mop, so I did all of that. I did do a lot of laundry, which I didn't film that, but I did get a little laundry in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, this is like another little motivational Monday video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.